Hey guys, welcome back to Behind the Scenes. We know that your social calendars are filling up, and so today we're gonna head out and about and show you how to style your pieces in more than one way. So let's get started. For all those special events coming up, two-piece sets are easy and effortless. Headed to happy hour? Swap your top, throw on a jean jacket, and add a belt. Get out your boots and cut-off shorts and top it off with a hat. Jazz up your high-rise jean shorts with a bright, trendy crop top and sleek sandals. Plans with a special someone? These straight jeans and a chunky heel instantly change the look. Take your look from classy to comfy by adding a casual top and flat-form sandals. Who are you cheering on? Take your style to the ball field by adding a destructed jean, sneakers, and a fun hat. If you're shopping with friends, stay comfy but look trendy when you toss a blazer over your graphic tee and add braided sandals to finish the look. Keep it sleek at work with a pop of color and classic black denim. Set your out-of-office reply and lighten up your look by ditching the blazer and adding a flowy skirt that can take you anywhere. Check out the Threads blog for more style inspiration.